The Ankylosaurus, often referred to as the armored tank of the dinosaur world, roamed the Earth during the late Cretaceous period, around 68 to 66 million years ago. This herbivorous giant was equipped with a unique set of defenses that made it a formidable opponent to predators. Its body was covered in thick, bony plates called osteoderms, which acted like a natural armor, protecting it from attacks. Additionally, the Ankylosaurus had a massive club-like tail, capable of delivering powerful blows to deter predators. This tail club, made of fused bone, was its primary weapon, capable of breaking bones and causing serious injury to any attacker. This combination of armor and weaponry made the Ankylosaurus a true survivor in a world filled with danger.